Creating videos used to be a real headache, setting up a camera, fixing lighting, recording again and again, then spending hours editing. But today, AI has completely changed the game. Now you can create full videos just by typing text. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that can turn simple text into videos. Let's start with Fliki AI. This tool is perfect for turning text into videos using AI voiceovers and visuals. You simply paste your script or type your text, choose an AI voice, select visuals or stock footage, and Fliki automatically creates a video for you. You don't need a camera, you don't need editing skills, and you don't need any technical experience. Fliki AI works great for YouTube videos, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, especially for faceless content creators who want to post consistently without spending hours editing. Next up is HeyGen AI. This tool focuses on AI avatars. You can choose a realistic human avatar, paste your script, and the avatar speaks naturally, just like a real person. The lip sync and facial expressions look very realistic, and you also get multiple languages and voice options. HeyGen is great for business videos, tutorials, presentations, or explainer content. So if you want professional-looking talking videos without showing your face, HeyGen AI works really well. Now let's talk about Kling AI. This one takes AI video creation to the next level. Kling AI can turn text prompts into cinematic quality videos with smooth motion and stunning visuals. The animations look realistic, the camera movements feel natural, and it's perfect for storytelling or creative content. If visual quality really matters to you and you want your videos to feel more cinematic, Kling AI is one of the most advanced tools out there right now. So here's the simple breakdown. Use Fliki AI for text-to-video content with AI voiceovers, HeyGen AI for talking avatar videos, and Kling AI for cinematic AI visuals. All 3 tools are powerful, it just depends on what kind of content you want to create. If you want more videos like this where I explain AI tools step by step, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.